Hey YouTube fam, blessed day to you. I am in the kitchen and I hope that when this little video reaches out to you, you and your family will be in good health and keeping warm. It is like seriously hot here. Hot, when me say hot, Dad, you wanna say hi? Been a long time.
Hello everybody.
From me and Dad together. But when you don't see me, you don't take me. I am gonna be making some dinner today. I want to make some rice and peas, a little fried chicken, and a little Jamaican raw vegetable salad. This is the meal in Jamaica that a lot of people enjoy. I haven't made this meal in like, I don't know, for the longest while. So anyway, it's hot here. It's in the afternoon. I have some peas getting on right there. I have some stuff going on. I'm working on the computer, I'm working in the kitchen, I'm working in my bedroom, I'm doing a lot of things. So I have my little peas there coming to a boil. I've not even identified the coconut yet, so I'm gonna let it continue boiling. Well, it's a very busy day for me, really busy. Busy times for me right now. I have some chicken that cut them up, lot them big though. See, big piece of the chicken back come out, big nice piece of chicken back. I'm gonna think me have some other chicken back in this line. So I think I'm going to be taking a few pieces of this. I'm going to be seasoning up. I'm going to leave it. And yes, I'll catch you around in the next clip, okay? Okay, now family, so all done with my season. Remember I tell you I got the fried chicken. So my mother always just squeeze it down with something, you know? Or remember I do something. So next clip. Okay fam, so my rice and peas is simmering right there. And my oil over here preheating for my chicken. So I am going to be now, like here, I'm going to use my hand, my flour there so, and I'm going to use my hand to take up my chicken and to remove some seasonings from my chicken. So my left handed, my oil there heated, and I'm using my left hand to flour my chicken. As I do it, yeah. So rice over there finish. I put in some chicken here now. I might just fry all of this. I'm like, let me just leave back some and then hope like when I fry enough I'm leave back some. So I guess that's what I'll do. So me catch you in the next clip when they're all finished fried up. So okay now fam, so we just toss up this and put it down in here. So when anybody, I think I just me and Koba go have this. Dad not really go for this, he not deal with the cabbage. So I just all put like a ranch or maybe like a mayo pan mine, because honestly, because everywhere you go to buy food, this you get, and I don't think cabbage and carrot most time you get. They don't put no tomato, nah, you know. Like what I should have put some lettuce. May have lettuce in there, you know. I might just put some lettuce. I just put the lettuce one side. So this is it going into the refrigerator now. You know, when it's cold, it tastes better. Making some progress over here. First set of chicken out and the other set of one. Take the time of one. Yeah. Rice and peas is ready. And I'm gonna put some plantain with it. But for you, come on, I love plant, but that we eat the plantain. You know? So I have a lot of ripe plantain here. Whole it now to freeze out from yesterday. Plus me have only for other bags of frozen ones. So I'm gonna start making look for the right planting then. Actually I did some in the skins yesterday for a specific reason. Didn't capture that on camera though. So when you see me next, everything should be done and I'll play it up for you. Give you an overview and then the play it up or overlook or whatever and then the play it up some for you. Okay, now fam, so this is our rice and peas right there. This is our fried chicken. Dad made fried plantains, and right here we have some of our jerk chicken gravy, and we are reheating it to serve with our fried chicken. How beautiful that must be if you know not about fried chicken. Jerk chicken gravy, rice and peas, yeah, and then you saw the veg earlier. I'm gonna plate up something for you and I'll be right back. So okay now fam, if you're like me and you don't want a lot of rice and more veg, a few pieces of plantain, then you can just have this. So this is my jerk chicken gravy you saw me, and if you've never seen it, I'll leave the link for you. I'll put a little on either rice. That is for people who like that. I hope you did enjoy this with me, and I hope you will try to make some if you haven't made this in a long time. See, we did a lot of soups. Still gonna do some more soups, so a long time I haven't had this. So I hope you did enjoy making dinner with me. Thanks for watching, thanks for loving, thanks for supporting, thanks for everything that we do right on over here. We are on the road to 20K, and I hope that you will continue to watch. Leave your comment below. Tell me when the last time you have that Jamaican dinner. Yeah. Thank you all so much. I'll catch you again with another video.